Hey guys, welcome to today. I am actually going to be replacing some liquid damaged flooring today, some hardwood flooring. The customer has all the flooring laid out for me, so I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna tear it out, the old out, I'm gonna put in the new, and I'll be kind of customizing the placements in some areas. That's irrelevant. Let's do it. Let's have fun. In this case, it's good to wear gloves. So here's my flooring. You can kind of see the damaged area right here. And I'm going to be taking it out probably somewhere right here to right about there. And the customization is that the flooring leads back into the other room, into this room, and it goes all the way into that room. And so I'm not going to be replacing all of that, just this little area. So let's do it.